we're hoping like maybe one morning if we come here early enough we can go in the queue. Like first thing, just go to Peter Pan's flight.
But I'm ready to take a flying ship.
Me too. And I want to see Peter Pan's Adventures and Wendy.
I don't know how safe it is though. First thing you see. Maybe we won't do this ride actually.
No, we're doing it. We have to do it. We're already here.
Right, well,
And look over there. There's a skull head and a pirate ship.
this one may be the end of our vlog. might put us over. I'm pretty nervous about this. I thought Tower Terror was bad. Why there are a bunch of little kids here? I'm just gonna go this way. Oh yeah, I have to be brave.
Can't wait to go on it.
And off we go! Peter Pan pretty much saved us.
Yeah, he did.
So,
thank you, Peter Pan.
I appreciate it.
Yep, and it's
Still
raining
a little bit, not as bad as it was.
Yeah. So, see what we do now. We're in Big Top Souvenirs right now. Just looking around at some of the things that they have. And there's Big Top Treats.
There's a lot of candy apples.
Yeah.
Anything good food here. Look at that food.
Wow. That looks good. That looks good. This looks so comfortable. This Eeyore pillow.
Take one of those and maybe go on the floor and take a
Yeah, just like sleep
weird?
with it. Yeah.
Oh, we found him.
Oh my goodness. There you are, Stitch.
You need to behave.
Yeah, seriously, Stitch. Behave.
You be a Disney Ohana.
Yeah, Ohana.
It's good again. Don't worry.
Okay, pew. Scary in there. And that, when he escaped, that was a little scary. Hey, look at this. That's cool. I like that frame.
You want this one or this one?
So we're gonna check out the line for the characters meet and greet. So we'll see how long the line is for that.
It might be pretty long because of the rain.
Yeah, it's raining a little bit right now, so we'll see.
Yeah, it's still raining. The rides have just opened up again.
Are you ready to be gobsmacked?
45 minutes.
Are you ready to see things you ain't never seen before? You seen them here?
And 25 minutes for Goofy and Donald. You want to do Goofy and Donald?
Sure, I can wait.
Sure.
5 minutes.
Let's do that.
This is what?
Goofy and Donald, we're meeting.
So we have the Great Goofy. Astounding Donald.
Donaldo.
Minnie Magnificent on the other side.
Yeah.
And Madame Daisy Fortune. She will tell you her fortune.
Are you excited about meeting Donald?
I am. This will be my second time this trip meeting him. I was a little starstruck last time, so I'm hoping to, you know, talk more maybe. We'll see. And, yeah, he might try to hypnotize me though.
Yeah.
He should hypnotize you into being a Donald fan.
Alright. Meeting Donald and Goofy. Your camera has what? Eyebrows?
Hair.
Hair. Oh, hair. Your camera has hair. It's in Mohawk. Camera. He's a big fan of you, Donald. He thinks you're number one. So we just met Goofy and Donald, and they were great.
Yes, of course I had to show him again my magic man.
And I said that he thinks he's number one.
Yeah, she did say that. Now, the photo pass lady, very nice, says, what do you mean thinks? He is number one. So, you can't argue with, it's just, you have to learn that, things change and he's number one now. He really has always been number one, but people just...
He took over.
Yeah, people just didn't understand.
So it all started with a duck?
It all started with a duck. Donald Duck. So, we're gonna go check out his other half. I don't know if she's a better half, because it doesn't get much better than Donald, but we'll see. And Minnie Mouse.
Minnie and Daisy.
Say it with me.
Minnie and Daisy are on this side, Donald and Goofy are on that side.
Enter if you dare.
So the wait says 45 minutes, but it's not going to be 45 minutes.
Yeah, and meeting Goofy and Donald was not 25 minutes. So.
No. After the rain, I guess they haven't reset the time yet. So.
Yep. So meeting Minnie and Daisy.
Yeah, I'm pretty excited to meet them. Have we met Daisy? We have met Daisy.
Met Daisy, but in a different outfit. This is a different outfit. They're wearing
you don't wear the same outfit every day either. So.
That's true.
No. Yeah, that's a picture.
So we just met Daisy Duck and Minnie Mouse, and they are both really nice. Minnie Mouse was in a really good mood today.
Yeah, she was so
fairly excited, yeah. That was exciting.
It smells like candy in here.
It does. We're gonna
get a snack somewhere.
Yeah, definitely.
Exactly what. work it. It's very interesting. It's like sewn together, it looks like.
I never even realized that.
But it's actually not sewn together, that's just designed.
Yeah, it just looks like it is. It's pretty cool. Alright, let's see where we head next. So we are waiting in the Fast Pass line for Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. Once again, it's a pretty long line, but last time it went pretty quickly.
Yeah, the only reason it's a long line is because it rained, so it was down for a while.
Yeah, so
We have to make up all those fast passes.
so hopefully it goes quickly and we get on the ride soon.
Yep.
See if a train comes by.
So we're thinking of getting a snack, but we're not sure exactly what we want. Maybe a pretzel or something. What snacks would you guys like? What's your favorite snack at Disney World? I hope we're off to see them go. That's like fun to be in there.
Yeah.
I wonder if they'll let us in there.
Uh-oh. It's starting to rain.
This has great special effects. The thunder, we got dancing dwarfs, Snow White.
It's a fun ride though.